making your connections. I'm a teacher. My name is Harshwani. Why not add me in Facebook and connect with me and the more discussion. My mentor is Rehan Alawala. Connect them also. And they have huge best mentors all around the world to connect with them. And there is an experience of 500 mutual friends. Why not join rehan.com/start and get into a huge network? Why not? Start it and experience our wonderful things. Networking is a powerful skill. And when you say, hi, how are you, and to your audience and relevant in your party or any educational gathering and professional meetings or whatever you are in age of group, you have to teach someone and people to network. And you keep exchange your network and been learning from them, take advantage of their learnings, their expertise, and invite in your platforms or maybe online and offline. So grow your network. That is one advantage. What are other advantage? You want to know or you want to comment below. I love to listen what you want to say. Yes, more advantage are networking is your net worth. You are surrounded by more best of mind who experience number of challenge, struggle, and have complete their number of things and number of projects. So if you have any help or something guidance you need, so you have your experiencing some trouble, so you have your network and you keep connect with your network and ask for your help. So why he or she cannot help you? Definitely he help you in a minute. Boom. And the process of your completing will be awesome and amazingly complete. Otherwise, you have to keep searching for a network or something or area of interesting there and ask more people, can someone help me? This makes a mess. So before you're going to start your career, keep network with your network of like-minded people like that. So you can easily understand the process of life and loud and clear, more confident that I have this friend like me, Rehan Alawala, and number of people are with me. And this is a power of knowledge and friendship in among the societies of ourselves, that we are going to change and transform other life too. So that is a commitment for ourselves, for our community too. So being as a good human, we love to volunteer ourselves, help, and more suggestion, more advice, consulting, coach, mentorship, giving a 5 minutes, appreciating, use word of thank you. How simple life is, and networking make your worth and more value in your teaching and other different platforms. So use it wisely and enjoy. So keep network with us and see the next video. Thank you.